welcome back to the homestead, and today I am sick of dealing with this problem. If you guys have a zero turn, these front tires, literally every time I go to mow the yard, it goes flat. I'll clean the bead, I'll put the strap on there and repump it up. It's fine for a week or two, and bam, flat again. So I am going to solve that problem. All right, so I did a little searching for these tires online, and I came across these never go flat universal fit lawnmower tires, and it comes with a bunch of adapters here. It's the right size for this tire. So let's swap it out and see if this is going to be the solution I've been looking for. Looks like they give you various spacer cushions here, so you can accommodate the axle width that you have on your particular mower. Also some washers. All right, looks like a 19 millimeter. So last step after putting this on, I'm going to go get some grease and grease that axle through that Zerk. If you guys have the same problem, I'm going to leave the link below on Amazon. Again, it's universal. As long as the diameter of the tire is the same size. So guys, that took like no time at all. It's universal fit. It's a solid plastic so that it can't go flat. Probably 5 minutes per tire here. And had I known about this months ago, I wouldn't have messed around with this whole tire. So hopefully you guys got a little tip out of this, and if you like forward around the house, subscribe and watch other content.
You